To avoid that moments are transferred to subjacent members when using continuous beams, scissors hinges can be applied. Use member eccentricities with relative offset to model such overlapping beams. The eccentricities of the member axes are automatically updated when adjusting the cross sections. Create now the scissors hinges. They are defined globally. Define which global forces and moments should not be transferred to the subjacent members. Always assign the hinges to a continuous beam on both sides of the intersection point. It does not matter here if you assign it to the upper or lower beam. In this example, another scissors hinge with flexibility in global Y direction is assigned on the other side of the beam. It is thus ensured that the longitudinal displacement is in one direction, and restraints due to temperature are avoided. If you display the colors according to the hinge type, you can easily see the different scissors hinges. To illustrate the effectiveness of the hinges, vertical loads and temperature changes are superimposed. You can see that only the expected local shear forces in Z direction and the moments about the strong axis occur in the entire frame structure.